Haley.
I'm Sam.
I'm Andrew.
And today we're gonna be trying the Fruity Bots every flavor beans.
Woohoo!
Let's get started. So, what flavor should we try first?
I don't know if you know, but these are the beans from Harry Potter.
Yes,
Where
that's
they taste
why.
like anything. Pretty much.
They have a lot of weird flavors.
Like,
They
I'm
have,
pretty sure this brown one right here is dirt flavored. Which I think we should start with.
okay, and
What do you
get a
think?
dirt.
Get dirt.
Yeah, get a
Okay.
dirt one.
It's that one.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Tastes like dirt.
Yeah.
That is really bad.
Tastes very natural.
It's very earthy.
Yep.
You know, I can still taste the sugar though.
I can taste all the natural minerals
Like a sweet.
and the water
Oh
in
yeah,
it.
definitely minerals in this.
Why you guys actually chewed them up? You chewed it up.
You didn't chew it up? Come on, Haley.
I chewed it once and I could taste it and I chewed
Okay.
it. Wait, are we gonna rank them?
Yeah, let's rank them.
Okay, so right now Dirt's at the bottom,
Dirt's very last.
but it's the
Yeah,
only
last.
one we've tried. Okay, which one do you
Next
wanna
up.
try next?
I want
Maybe we
Blueberry.
should go for a good one.
blueberry.
Yeah, blueberry is gonna be good.
Ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Yep, very sweet.
I like blueberry.
Blueberry is much better than the Dirt.
What's our next flavor? What about black pepper?
Oh, that one's gonna be weird.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Very peppery.
It's very interesting
it?
how they get these flavors.
Oh, it just hit me. Yeah, I looked at the ingredients and there's actual pepper in it.
Is there actual dirt in the dirt one?
I hope not. Oh, this one's bad.
Yeah.
I don't think
Yeah, but it's.
You said it's third best.
I'm just rating blueberry as like second and black pepper as
Why would
third.
blueberry be second? What's first?
We don't know yet.
We don't know.
We have first, second, and third currently.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
I don't think the black pepper one's as good.
All right. What about
Okay,
pink
let's
apple?
do wait. Let's do pink. Let's do another good one.
Just pink ones?
Yeah,
Pink that Candyfloss.
Candyfloss.
Ooh, floss.
Is it better than blueberry?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I like it better than blueberry.
me too.
Okay.
Not a fan.
You spit out one of the good ones?
Oh my gosh. And he swallows the other ones.
No. Andrew's that guy who spits out everything during the challenge.
Let's go with this one right here.
You no.
We have to get it over with.
That's earwax.
I know.
Earwax. All right, let's go. All right, you ready? You go.
I don't think I am.
3, 2, 1. I'm surprised Dumbledore can keep a
Hold on.
straight face on the last
It's
scene.
not actually as bad as you think it would be.
It's kind of bad. It just tastes like,
Starts out with like a Spritey taste.
yeah, it kind of tastes like Sprite mixed with like ginger and cinnamon.
Yeah. I don't think I could eat this.
But maybe it's better than black pepper.
Yeah. I can put it better than black pepper. I think Haley's saying she wants to go with vomit.
Vomit.
No, that's not what I said.
You went when I asked what we should try next. Alright, Haley, if you insist.
I think lemon.
I think vomit's gonna be the worst.
Alright.
All right.
I'm scared. I'm scared to chew it. Oh! That one is so bad.
Oh gosh.
So I think we can all agree the vomit one is last for sure.
Yep, it's never getting replaced as last.
Nope.
That's disgusting.
Okay, we need a good one.
Guess we'll find out. Alright,
Okay.
on 3, guys.
Lemon, hopefully.
1.
I'm just grabbing the lemon.
What? That was. We
No,
got you lemon.
you have to try the same one.
It is the same one.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Alright.
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Lemon.
Yeah, lemon. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I'm scared for rotten egg.
Yeah. Alright. Alright, together, guys.
3,
2,
2, 1.
Oh, that's bad. We're bad. That was so bad.
I'm gonna puke.
It's stuck in my teeth.
Sam! I always take one bite of the jelly bean. You guys are playing this game wrong.
It's stuck in my teeth. This is so disgusting.
Sam, you gotta stop acting like you're actually going to eat it.
It's stuck in my teeth.
Okay, I think that one was bad, but maybe not.
Makes the popcorn taste like rotten egg.
Is it worse than vomit though? Because I don't think so. I think vomit was still the worst.
Should we try the vomit one again?
No!
Oh.
Andrew!
I'm gonna actually puke.
I think this one is the rotten egg. Hey, here is the grass to go with our dirt jelly bean.
We should try them at the same time.
No.
No. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
This one's not as bad, but it tastes like cleaner. Right?
You tasted cleaner?
No. It tastes like, it tastes like the smell of cleaner. You know.
Yeah,
Oh, that's bad.
it's pretty bad. Not as bad as some of the other ones.
Gross.
Green apple.
There we go. Ready?
Alright, ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Kind of tastes a little more fake than lemon. Did you spit out the green apple, Andrew? These are the ones that are pretty good. These are bearable and these are disgusting.
Okay, guys. We are going to be washing our mouths with soap. Get ready.
Yeah, to wash out all the bad flavors.
This is how you would cleanse your mouth.
Don't do this.
Don't do this at home, kids.
Now try this at home. Isn't it weird how like it's kind of like clear?
I know.
It's like they put a gel in it.
Toothpaste. Let's go.
Joe, beans. Oh,
Ready?
Andrew already took his.
You did?
I guess that's how you wash your mouths out. With
You know, it's actually not. It actually tastes like another candy I've had. Is that weird?
Really?
Yeah.
I thought it tastes like cleaner.
Okay, we're gonna try marshmallow now.
Ready?
Which for some reason is brown.
It's like.
It smells like marshmallows.
I can't smell it
Yeah,
yet.
it does.
I bet it's going to taste really good.
Oh.
Oh, love it. I'd say it's 100%.
Definitely tastes like sugar.
Tastes like whipped cream.
I'd say it's number 1.
Oh, this one's strange
Smells
because it's white
weird.
on the outside and the pink on the inside.
You know what this reminds me of? Cotton candy.
This one's
That's
supposed
what
to
it
be one of the
smells like.
good flavors.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't think it's.
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
It's like bubble gum.
It tastes like
Bubble
bubble
gum.
gum. I was gonna say the toothpaste.
I don't feel safe swallowing bubblegum flavored thing.
The next one we're going to try is cherry. Hopefully.
Cherry.
Cinnamon.
That's
No,
not
cinnamon.
yeah.
Sorry. Yeah, cinnamon and cherry look exactly the same, but.
Yep.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Red hot.
Yeah.
Yep. Red hot flavor.
Definitely. I know.
I'm getting
It's
sick
like,
of jelly beans though.
I'm a little sick.
it doesn't taste that bad, but I'm so sick of it. The video cut out when we tried the Booger one, and we don't want to try this one again.
It was disgusting.
Yeah, it was very bad, and we're putting it below black pepper, but above grass? Is that right?
Is that?
That's where it was.
Yeah.
It needs to go, you know.
Yeah, there's no way grass could have been worse.
Yeah.
Now we try cherry.
Cherry
2,
flavor.
1. I'm getting kind of sick from eating all the sugar.
This one's not the worst, but it kind of tastes like medicine. Oh, yeah, it tastes like medicine. Last one.
Watermelon.
The last jelly bean. The watermelon is very rare. We got 3 packages of jelly beans, and only one of the packages had 1 watermelon jelly bean.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go.
Yep. Artificial watermelon. Like the Jolly Ranchers.
I don't know.
Definitely better than banana.
Better than banana, but right? Is that all?
Better than Tutti-Fruitti.
Actually, no. It's starting to taste like throw up.
That's because you're not supposed to suck on it.
I don't like it at all.
It tastes fine.
I'd say a little
Better than banana.
Tutti-Fruitti.
Yeah, but below
Yeah,
2.
that works.
There you go. Awesome.
Okay, we have 10 good-ish jelly beans and 10 horrible jelly beans.
These are the jelly beans you would be watching out for. And these are the jelly beans you would be eating.
Or, you know, just putting up with.
Yeah. We tried all of the Birdie Bots, every flavor jelly beans flavors, and we have ranked them. But we'll do like
1 to 20.
Yeah. We can do like a close-up on all the jelly beans.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, the top 10.
First place is lemon. Second place, cinnamon. Third place,
Blueberry.
fourth place,
Marshmallow.
fifth, Candyfloss.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah, and then there's Tutti-Fruitti,
watermelon, banana, green apple,
and cherry.
And then in the bad flavors,
Top below is
we have
soap. Earwax.
Earwax, black pepper, grass,
Boogers?
booger,
Yeah. Dirt, ew. Earthworm.
no, this was sausage.
Oh yeah, sausage.
sausage. Oh yeah, sausage was disgusting.
Gross.
Earthworm,
Oh yeah, earthworm.
Earthworm.
rotten egg,
Right, yeah.
Terrible.
and then
Vomit.
the worst one of all.
It was
Vomit.
vomit. Oh gosh, that was disgusting.
All right. See if you and your friends can try this jelly bean challenge at home and tell us about it.
I wouldn't advise it.
No.
It's a bad challenge.
It is.
But if you have tried them, let me know which one's your favorite.
Down in the
Or
comments
which one you
below.
hate the most.
Yeah, which one was your favorite, Andrew?
I think that my favorite was
I'd have to say cinnamon was my
I'd say marshmallow and cinnamon.
I think my favorite was blueberry or lemon.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for watching and spending your time here with us today.
Watching us almost puke up all these horrible beings.
Subscribe for more videos like this one.
Like this one.
Like this one.
Click this button here.
Not like this
subscribe.
one. We're never doing this again.
Subscribe.
Maybe other tasting challenges? Yeah.
Yeah, comment below if you want us to try some more challenges.
Yes.
Alright.
See you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.